Hello students, welcome to UPS e-learning group. As all of you know that chapter 1 large number is going on and we have discussed most of the topics in this chapter. Okay, so today we will learn about the Roman numerals. You are familiar with these numbers. Let's start with a new topic, the Roman numerals. Okay. First, listen something, student. The Roman numeral system originated in ancient Rome. Okay, the ancient Roman used this system to represent numbers. What are these symbols? These are to represent the following numbers. Okay, for this they made use of some Latin alphabets and their combinations. So, what are these? These are the Latin alphabets that were originated by the Roman in Rome. Roman used following 7 letter symbols to represent numbers. What are these 7 symbols? These are here and these are their respective values in the Hindu-Arabic numerals. You are familiar with the Hindu-Arabic numerals as we use in our digits. So, look at the symbol and this is the value for this symbol. For this symbol, the numeral value will be 1. For this symbol like V, the numeral value will be 5. For this symbol like X, the numeral value will be 10. For this symbol, the numeral will be what? 50. And for this symbol, numeral value will be 100. And this symbol, what will be the value? 500. And for this symbol, what is the value? 1000. So, if we want to write these Hindu numerals in the Roman numbers, what we have to do? For 1, we will write this symbol. For 5, we will write this symbol. For 10, if we want to write 10 in Roman numeral, then what we will write here? This symbol. Same for 50, we use this symbol. For 100, we use same symbol. For 500, we will use symbol D, and for 1000, we will use the symbol M. So, student, to learn and understand the Roman numerals, you have to learn these 7 symbols. These are the basic symbols, and by a combination of these symbols, we can make other numerals. Okay. So, what we learned here? That the Roman numeral system originated in ancient Rome, and the other thing, there are 7 symbols. Okay, these are 7 symbols. They are Latin alphabets and their combinations. And students, if we want to make the numerals from these symbols or to make the combination, there are some rules. What are these? I will explain you. These are the rules for writing Roman numerals. Look here for the rule number 1. Only the symbol I, X and C can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times only. Okay? Only which symbols? I, X and C. And it can be repeated only 3 times. You can repeat it 2 times also, 3 times, but not more than 3 times. Okay? Got that? For example, look at here. We can repeat here X 3 times. X, X, X. The value will be 30. But if we want to write 40, we cannot write it 4 times. It will be wrong. Okay. So, what is the first rule? Only the symbol I, X and C can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times only. Note out this thing, 3 times only. Okay. Now come to the rule number 2. What is this? When a symbol is repeated, its value is repeated also. For example, look at here, the symbol I is repeated how many times? As you can see here, the I is repeated 2 times here. So, the numeral value will be, this is also repeated 2 times, 1 plus 1. So, what will be the value for this symbol? The value for this symbol will be 2. Similarly, look at here, the symbol repeated it how many times? 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So, the numeral value for this symbol will be 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal to 30. Because for 1x we use the numeral value 10. Okay. Similarly, look at here for one more example. C, we write here. So what will the numeral value for this? Numeral value for this will be C plus C or 100 plus 100. So what will be the value of C plus C? 200. Okay. So what we got here? When a symbol is repeated, its value is repeated also. Got that? Now come to the point number 3. Symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated. V, L and D cannot be repeated. What will be repeated? Only I, X and C. And how many times? Only 3 times. Now, what was the value of V? Recall, value of V will be 5, value of L was 50 and value of D was 500. So, keep it in mind that symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated. Okay. Now come to the rule number 4. It is most important. Look at here carefully. If a symbol of a smaller value is placed to the right of another symbol of greater value, its value is added to the greater value. Got the point? If the value which have greater value and its right place, we have another symbol which have the smaller value, then what we have to do here? We will have the smaller value and the greater value, both will be add here. For example, look at here. Here I smaller value and V is the greater value. Where I is putting here? I is putting at the right place of the greater value. So what we do here to convert it into numeral or to understand the combination of this Roman numeral? Look at here. V and I means V plus 1, and if we want to know the numeral value 5, V for 5 and I plus 1. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Then this Roman symbol represent the numeral 6. Similarly, come to the example number 2. X and this. We know that this, what is the value of this? 3. Okay. Then what will the value? We have to add here x plus 3. So value of x will be 10 and this is 3. So what we get the number here? 13. If we want to write 13 in numeral symbol, Roman symbol, we will write like this. Now come to the next example. This is xv. Let's see what is the value of this. X plus v, or x stand for 10 and v stand for 5. Then what number we get here? 15. Now come to the next example. I am giving you here many examples to got the point very strongly. Okay. Now look at here LXX. If you want to know the value of this, what will be? L plus XX. L we used for 50 and XX we used for 20. So what is the value we get here? 70. Look at here students, example number 5. DCCC. Just recall, we use D for 500, we use C for 100. So triple C matlab means here 300. So look at here, DCC will be D plus CCC, or if we want to convert in numeral, then write here 500 for D. Triple C means 300. Then what the numeral we get here? 800. Okay. So students, please repeat it again and again to understand the topic clearly. Look at here. These symbols you have to learn here for today's homework. Okay. And you have to learn these. We are discussed only for the 4 rules today. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain the other rules. First you have to learn all these 4 rules and these symbols. Okay, and do the practice at home. Thank you.